I think my network is getting disconnected. Uh, I don't know how
You
many
can
times.
share it with me. I will share it in the.
Yeah, yes, I'm sharing it. Adarsh, I shared to you.
Yeah, sharing.
Adarsh, can I start? We are getting late. It's 2:05.
Yes, let's start. Let's start. Narendra.
Yeah.
I'm sharing the data set in the chat.
Yeah. So students, Adarsh will be sharing two data sets. One is with data modeling, it is very helpful, very simple data I shared to you. So using this, you can able to understand how to go for the data modeling. So this is nothing but this data set, sales data modeling. We are discussed in the morning. I went for a star schema based. Okay, so you can use it for a reference. Okay, but the project I'm doing is on sample superstore. So this is the Excel file. You can use it for the reference, and you can also parallelly do with me. Okay, let us go by. So morning, we have discussed about total sales, okay, total profit, and I given a condition on the calculation part. On the explicit measure, I defined one condition like only for furniture, what is the total sales? And we have seen the definition, like how you are going to write the DAX formula. Okay, let me, if I want to check back, what is the formula means, just click on this card visual, and you can see here on the right side, on the orders table, okay, some measures are activated. You can see here. So at the bottom, you are having the measures. Okay. So if I click on this totals, you can see this is the formula. We can call it a simple DAX function. I use for calculate the total sales only for furniture category. Okay. I'm just taking out the rows which are having furniture as a category value in the total sales column. Suppose say, sir, you might be total sales you created, one measure you created, and this is the formula. Okay, and now we have created total sales for furniture category. Again, you are creating a total profit also. You can see total profit also you created. Okay, so like this, it is very difficult for us to go navigating to the particular measure and explicitly identifying the measurements. There is a shortcut in the real time practice. We are keeping all the measures, okay, in one particular folder or one table, like that. Okay, so let me 1 second. Okay, so now you can able to create, you can see here all the measures are there in orders table. You can see here when I'm clicking on this cursor, all the measures are not visible. So if I expand, all the measures are there. So these measures are sorted on the name. Since T is there, total sales under furniture category, T is there, it is sitting at the last. Suppose if you want to create all the measures in a given table, so just go to the home menu. Okay, home menu like this. Okay, or else you can go to the table view. You can click on table view. You can click on new table. Okay, you can able to type the name of the table. Like I am going for all measures equal to enter. Now you can see all measures are created, one new table is created. Yes or no? Students, can you able to see? Okay, can you see? Yes or no? Students, quickly just give me the confirmation. Yeah. So now, I want to send all the measure, whatever be the measures I created on the orders table. I want to make it their presence in all measures table. So now I'm scrolling down. I'm just scrolling down. So I'm just selecting this. Okay. So when I'm selecting this, you can see here the total sales DAX formula is popping up. So now I am going to, you can select, model view. Okay, you can select the model view, and now see here, I'm just clicking on total sales. Okay, the total sales is there in orders table. Can you see? The total sales is there in the home table of orders. Yes or no? Yeah. So now see here, I'm just changing. I'm just clicking on orders table. Now another table is there now, which is created. Just select all measures table. Automatically, you can see total sales will comes to all measures table. So that is how it is a very good practice to keep all the measures in separate table. And the name of the table is all measures, like that. So now I'm selecting total furniture. Total furniture is also one explicit measure. By default, the mother table or home table is orders. I'm just changing this to all measures. That's it. Now it is created. Okay. Now it is created. Now go back to the, yeah. So now go back to normal. Okay. And now you can see here total sales is there. Total sales for furniture category is there. So if you want to remove this existing column measure, so just click on this three dot and click on delete. Okay. So you can delete from the particular thing. Okay. So let me call. So now I'm just creating another measure. Okay. So before going into another measure, so is it clear? We are having two tables now. One table I intentionally created for all measures. Yes or no? Is it clear why I created? Yes or no? Yeah. No. Yeah. So now I'll be giving you one golden rule. One golden rule. What is the golden rule? So the golden rule is always, suppose say if I want to do the time series analysis, we are going to see what is the meaning of time series analysis, description analysis and all. Whenever you want to do time series analysis on the data, okay, it is always good to have a date table separately. Okay, separately you need to have a date table. Okay, because a date column is there in the data set itself, but always it is a better practice to create a date table by taking all possible dates from the particular data set, and I'm keeping that all the dates in a separate table. Okay, now we are going to create the third table called as date table. Okay, so come back to the Power Query. Okay, so come back to the Power Query. Now I want to create a date table. So again, go to table view. Okay, so table view, table tools, and now click on create table. Now again, I'm going to click on a third table. So here by default name is table. By default name table, I'm just deleting it. Now I am going first. The name of the table is date. D-A-T-E. Date is equals to. Okay. So now I'm adding the columns here. So now you can see here after typing the date here, you are having all the popping ups. Okay. So now here I'm just selecting add columns, and now what in this column. So what are the values should be there? Now see here, very simple. I am selecting minimum. You can see. Okay, table, all measure. Okay, so okay, I'm adding the columns from calendar function. From the calendar function, you can see calendar function. From this calendar function, okay, I'm just taking the values like minimum values. Where is the minimum value? So I am selecting the minimum value from the order date column. Order date column. I'm just typing date here, and now here all date matchings will be popping up. Now I'm selecting orders table and order date column is there. Just select this column. Okay. So this is the minimum value. Okay. So this is the minimum value. You can see here minimum value, and now I'm going for maximum value. So maximum value I'm selecting from again the date column. So what is the meaning of this? Can anyone tell me? So I am taking minimum value from the ordered date column and maximum value from the same column. So from minimum value to the maximum value, the calendar function is trying to create a new table, and the name of the table is date. That is the meaning. Now you can see here date column has been created. Okay. So now I don't want to go for the date column as it is with the values. Okay. With the same values, I don't want to create. Now instead, you can see here, I am coming to the next row. Keep your cursor after comma and then hit Alt Enter. Okay, now we are in second. Now here with this column, already you can see here, when I'm coming to the second column, second row, it means that date table has been created. That you need to understand. In the date column, I'll created in the first row itself. Now I am referring, okay, another new columns. Like I want to create year column, month column, day name column, month name column, all these things. So for that, I am going to create year. The name of the new column is year, comma. How to create the year column? By typing year. You might be knowing year is a DAX function, basic DAX function. And now I am referring year. I'm selecting from date column. Okay. So just type date. Okay. That's it. Okay. Date column. I'm just referring. Let me type it. Date. So now I'm selecting the date. Let me clear it. Clear off. The date. Okay. So for the timing, just close it. Okay. So now we are coming to the date column. You can see I'll be creating all the columns again. Okay. For the timing, so I'm having only date column created. Okay. If you want to see the date column, just go to table view. Okay. So now just select date column. So the date table is created. The columns I will be creating afterwards. Afterwards, I'll be creating. When the time comes, I'll be creating you the date column again. For the time being, yeah. So for the time being, just go to total sales, total profit, total furniture sales. Now, I want to know, just expand this. I want to know which categories are giving me highest sales. So I'm just writing the problem statement here. I'm writing the problem statement that is category wise sales. Okay, I want to know which categories having highest sales and which categories are having lowest sales. So which diagram is useful? Which graph is useful for this? Can anyone tell me? Which graph is suitable for this? Bar chart. Okay. Yeah. So we'll be going by bar chart because students responded with bar chart. Bar chart is also good enough. Pie chart is also good enough. Already we've seen the pie chart. So pie chart, bar chart. Okay. So these are all useful for visualizing the category wise analysis. So now I'm going for category wise sales analysis. Okay. So let me go to the Power BI. Okay. Now let me take stacked bar chart. Just zoom it. So this is our stacked bar chart. Now on y-axis, on x-axis, I need to drag two columns. On y-axis, I'm dragging category. So because the problem statement is involving in category. So I'm just dragging and dropping onto the y-axis. Okay. Y-axis of the stacked bar chart. When you scroll down, now x-axis it requires. So at x-axis, okay, bar chart only. Yeah, bar chart. Kushal, I selected only bar chart. I can select, I'll be showing you that also. So students, can you see the bar chart and see the y-axis? All the categories has been displayed. So can you able to see visually, like very freely with your eyes, as similar to the title of the chart, like sum of sales by category? Can you able to see, or else can I go and change the font to thick, bold, size? Do I need to do any formatting? Are able to, can you see? Yeah, bold. Yeah. So now I'm going for bold. So select this. Okay. Go to visualizations pane, go to format. Okay, your visual. And now go to the y-axis. So because my labels are there in, my categorical labels are in y-axis. Go to y-axis, expand this y-axis. And now by default, the font size is 8. So now you can increase to 12. So the font size has been increased. Make it to bold. Yeah. So change the color to thick, black color. Okay. Now you can see here. Now it is very easy, very useful. Now x-axis, we are having 0.0 0.0 m, 0.5 m, okay, 1.0 m. So I think it is not required. I'll be keeping the data labels for each category, like technology wise, how much sales is there. You can see here, when I'm hovering my mouse, you can see the total sales for technology category. When it comes to furniture, you can see the total sales for furniture category. You can see the total sales for office supplies category. I want to make it. When I move my cursor away from this chart, I cannot see anything. So this small window is there when popping up. Okay, when I'm hovering my cursor on the different bars, this small window is called as tooltip window. Tooltip window. So I want to keep it. I want to know whether how much sales happen to the technology, furniture, and office supply. So what I can do? Can anyone guide me? What I can do? So I want to keep the values, the total sales values for each and every category. What, how I can do it? Any idea, students? Please respond. Please respond fastly. Add the label. Label means it's a text. Label always speaking about the text. It's not the label. Okay, no, okay, no problem. Okay, so now you can just select the chart, okay, for which different categories are there, and I want to see the total sales in numbers. So go to visualization pane, and in the visualization pane, just select format your visual, okay. So in the format your visual, when you scroll down, y-axis is there, x-axis is there, okay. Now scroll down to bars, expand these bars. So all things, formatting things with respect to bars can be, you can see the color. I want to change the color to something like, okay, blue color, light blue. So like this, it is matching. So I want to keep it like this. Okay, now if you want to have the border, you can keep the border on. So the border, the line will be highlighted. And now you can see data labels. Can you see data labels here? Yes or no? Students, data labels. By default, this is in off position. Yeah. So now make it on. Just make it on. Now you can see the wonder. Now, whenever you see the data labels on, at the last for each and every bar, okay, so you can see the value 0.84, 0.74, 0.72 million. Okay, so this is the total sales happen for each and every category. Suppose if I want to configure, I don't know what is M. So you can go and expand this data labels, and now you can create, you can create, okay, you can create, let me, I can rechange this. Rechange means instead of values here, none, I can keep it none. So if I'm keeping it none, you can see the values will be there like this. I will be keeping in zoom. So now you can see here. Okay, now you can see these values. Suppose if these values are very huge, I cannot able to read it. So then again go to format and then go to data labels and make it on. Go to the value, go to the value, and now display units. You can make it to like thousands. Now you can see the thousands will be popping up here like this. So this is again, I want to change the title of this particular bar chart. So just select bar chart, go to format your visual, go to general, go to title, and now just remove this sum of. I don't want to see the sum of. So now it is a very interesting title, sales by category. So I want to keep it and just click on the white space. The chart will be pasted permanently. Okay, now. So what else I need to do it here, students? Is it done, or else do I need to do any changes in this chart? What else I can do in the chat? Can I remove the different units which are available on x-axis? Can we remove it? Because they are not necessary, because data labels are popping up for each bar. So there is no meaning of continuing the x-axis. Yes or no? Yeah. So now I want to remove the values present in x-axis. How can I do it? Again, select the chart, go to visualizations pane and click on format your visual. Okay, go to x-axis now. Now this time we are dealing with the x-axis of the chart. So just scroll down, okay, go and click on these values. By default, the values are on. So just make it off. Now you can see all x-axis values have been eliminated. So done, students. So now it is interesting, right? Suppose, is it clear? So do I need this the data labels to bold color? Okay, can we change? Because everything I cannot do it for each and every visual. I'll be doing all the changes on one single visual, and I'll copy and I'll paste it wherever I require. So now I can go to again sales by category bar chart, go to visualizations pane, click on formative visual. Now I'm going by the bars. The bars option is there. Now in the bars, we are having data labels. Okay. So data labels is there. Now in the data labels, values are there. So in the values, I'm keeping the size of the data values to 12. And I'm keeping in bold and I'm keeping the color as black thick color. No, I think it is good for me. So is it okay, students? Is it fine? This is the formatting. I want to fix it for this bar chart. Is it done, students? Yeah. So I think it is looking fine for me. I want to use it, this particular sales by category bar chart, as a reference for formatting the upcoming new visuals. Okay. So now after that, okay. So now I am going by another problem statement. This is done. Category wise sales. So can you go for subcategory wise sales? Okay. This is a problem statement. Subcategory wise sales. Can you do it? Can you do it? So don't go and do it from the scratch. So there is a shortcut. See here, I want to go by the shortcut. So can you tell me the shortcut here? Sales by category is there now. With all formatting is done. So now I want to change this sales by category graph, okay, into subcategory by subcategory sales. How can I do it? Do not select the type of the chart, format it again from the scratch. Don't do it. There is a shortcut. Can anyone tell me the shortcut? Anyone? No or don't know? Student, make it fast because I'm having only 1 hour time. I need to complete this and I need to take your queries also. Yeah, don't know. No problem. It's a very good response. Now see here, the shortcut is just select, single click on the chart, Control C for copy, Control V for paste. That's it, done. See here, I'm just drawing it. This is very simple, right? Very, very useful. So select this visual, Control C and then Control V and drag it to the place where you want to. So, but these two are same, but I want to change the second to second chart to subcategory wise sales. So now instead of category, what are the things I need to make over here? Student, please tell me here. Very simple question. So the second sales by category is there, na? So that I want to change it to subcategory wise sales. How? What are the things I need to change here? Everything is with you only, in front of you only. What are the things I need to do? Just change the category. Very good, very good. So Kushal, thank you. So on y-axis, I need to change the category to subcategory. So for changing, I'm removing the existing category. Yeah, changing the y-axis. No, I'm going to the subcategory. Subcategory is there. Okay, so let me take the subcategory. So drag the subcategory onto y-axis. That's it. Now you can see beautifully one chart is popping up. Yes or no? So beautifully, the chart is popping up. When I expand this here, how many are there? Lot of things there, na? So now please tell me, is it better to use bar chart for these many different types of categories? Can I use this bar chart for this? Yes or no? Can I use it? Is it good for your stakeholder to look at all these many subcategories for each and every subcategory total sales? Will they remember this much complex data? Will they remember? No. So no, yeah. So we'll be going for pie chart. Someone is speaking about the pie chart. I'll be making. So I want to convert this into pie chart. Just select this chart and click on pie chart. That's it. Now you see here the pie chart is popping up. Can you see the pie chart is good enough? Pie chart is good enough? Yes or no? Your personal is good enough, right? Suppose if I'm asking this minute portion, this some white color is there, labels. It is, yeah. So Viral, yes, correct. This pie chart is also very complex. Always remember the pie chart, bar chart, all categorical charts. Use it for comparison. Okay, use it for comparison. So when you want to compare one category with other category, always try to select maximum of five charts or five categories. More than five categories, no one will understand. Okay, especially the non-stakeholders. So that is the reason I am having more than five. It is very difficult to extract. So this is the reason. So I need custom visual. Now, did you get it? Why custom visuals are needed? Yes or no, students? So now I want to change this standard visuals into custom visuals. So already in the morning we added word cloud. So that particular word cloud, I want to use it. So I'm just going to the visualization pane. You can see here visualization pane, and then come to the last, okay, where you can see get more visuals option. Just click on get more visuals. Now you are going to the market area. So this is called custom visuals market area. Just you can scroll to all the visuals. Lot of visuals are there. So now I'm going to select this word cloud. So just click on this word cloud. I just wanted to use this custom visual, okay, to my visualization. So just click on this add button. Now you can see this is added. Now I want to change. Yeah. So import was successful. Can you see? This is my word cloud visual. So just select this sales by category and just replace this to word cloud. That's it. Okay. Now you can see this is popping up. So this is very nice approach. You can see. So what is the basic difference? What is the basic difference between the pie chart, bar chart, and word cloud chart? Can you able to identify which is more convenient to your eyes? Which is more convenient to your eyes? Okay, show me again. Okay. So for adding custom visuals, go to the visualizations pane. You can see here visualization pane. In this visualization pane, we have bar chart, we have line chart. Okay, we are having everything. So go to the last option where three dots are there. Just click on these three dots and click on get more visuals. Just click on this get more visuals. Now this is the market area where you can pick one or two or many, okay, custom visuals. You can see it. So now for my thing, like if I'm not able to identify the particular name, okay, so just you can type it here in the search, like word, WORD, word. So all the custom visuals are popping up here like this. Okay, now you can select your requirement. Now I need this. Select this word cloud chart according to your requirement, and then read the documentation. What it is meant for. You can see this is the reason why it is made. And now after this, you can click on add button. Just click on this add button. Suppose you download this sample, you can download it also on your downloads folder. It will be downloaded. So whenever you require any word cloud for any Power BI custom visual, just add this downloaded sample. Otherwise, if you are adding to Power BI, it will be added like this. So you can see it is added like this. When I close this, only this word cloud visual will be available only for this visualization only for this particular PBX file. It is not available in other PBX files. Suppose you want to make it, it's present in all the Power BI PBIX file, then better to download it. I just added to the like visualization space. So is it clear, students? Yeah, it is asking email means you can provide your Gmail ID and you can log in once. Okay, once you are logged in, you can be able to download it because I already logged in. Okay, no problem, no problem. I'll be sharing. Okay, I'll be sharing this. No problem. I'll be sharing in the Teams group. For the timing, which is more convenient, like Power BI, like visual, which is the implemented in bar chart, or which is implemented in pie chart, which is implemented in word cloud, which is more convenient for your eyes? Which is more convenient? Student, please respond. Bar chart, pie chart. So pie chart and bar chart, you cannot get it. You cannot compare all the, because we cannot provide that much space for pie chart or that much space for bar chart in our visualizations window. So the visualizations window is very small. You cannot provide. So you cannot compare it using pie chart and bar chart. So that is the reason if you want to compare one category with another category, better you go by word cloud. Understand? Because the space limitation is there. We cannot get that much huge space. So that is the reason why we are going for word cloud chat, because in the shortest space, it is able to compare it. You can see here. So it is very beautifully comparing. So the highest particular sales coming from one subcategory called as chairs. The only thing is I need to change the name of the particular chart. So just select this, go to visualizations pane, format your visual, go to general, expand the title. Now this will be sales by subcategory. That's it. Now this is sales by subcategory. So any doubts up to this? Students, any doubts up to this? No. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So now shall we move on to the next visualization? Yeah. Thank you. So the next problem statement is if you see all the visuals here, total sales, total profit, okay, total sales with respect to furniture, total category sales, okay, total subcategory by sales. So every chart is speaking about sales. Can you see that common thing? Every chart is going by the sales. Now, what is the meaning of this? This visualization is called as the name. Can you give the name of the visualization? What is the common name? Every chart is speaking about sales. So what will be the name of this particular visualization or the analysis? What is the name of this analysis? Student, please respond, please respond. Sales analysis, yes. So now we are going for the sales analysis. Whatever be the things I am representing, you need to replicate. In the next step, you need to replicate for profit analysis. So we are going for different types of analysis. Imagine we have only one data set on which we are going for multiple analyses. One is sales, other one is profit analysis, other one is profit like a product recommendation. Okay, all these things. Okay, customer identification, finding the loyal customers. So these are the different types of analysis you can do it using single data set. Always do not take it for granted that only one data set, one type of analysis. No, multiple analysis can be done. So I'm just showing you for sales analysis, you need to replicate that to profit analysis. Okay, now I am going for another analysis, another sales analysis, another metric. Okay, so now I want to go for which region is having highest sales. Okay, which region is having highest sales? Let me open my notepad. Which region? And then, okay, which region is having highest sales? So now, how many regions are there? How many regions are there? I'm just going to this. I'll be showing you how many regions are there. So these are the M column is we are having the regions like 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 different categories are there. Can you see? 4 different categories are there: central, east, south, and west. So it is now very easy to realize using either bar chart or pie chart, because the number of categories are only 4. Okay, so I can use it. So now I'm going to Power BI. Okay, just go to pie chart or donut chart. I'm going for donut chart. So this is the donut chart. Okay, this is the donut chart. And now I'm populating this donut chart with regions and sales. So I'm just dragging the region. So this region onto the legend and then sales onto the values. Now see here how beautifully this chart has been populated. You can see here. Is it clear, students? Is it clear, students? Can you able to follow with me? Yeah. So now, what is the next step? Can you expect? What is the next step I am doing? Yeah. So what is the next step you are guessing, like for me to do? If I want to do the next step, what will be the next step? The like identify format. Okay, format, apply the format. Okay. Okay, we'll apply. Okay, no problem, we'll apply. So how can I do it? Just select the visual where the no format is there. Okay, this is the visual. I need to format it. From where I need to format it? What is the reference? What is the reference format? Let us consider sales by category, right? I'm just selecting sales by category is my reference. Okay, visual. Where from I'm copying the formats. So select this particular sales by category. Go to format painter, click once and come to the visual where the format need to be pasted. Just click on single time, done. How beautiful it is done. So you can see, yeah. So to sum of sales by region. Now, is it clear or else do any changes? I want to remove the sum of the title sum of sales by region. Okay. Okay, I can add. Very nice, very nice. Akhil, very nice suggestion. Adding the visual, adding the values to this. Yeah, very nice. So now, see, a lot of good thinking students are there here. Okay, now I'm just selecting here this donut chart. Go to visualizations pane and comes to format your visual. Okay, so now I want to add the data labels. So the data labels has been added. Okay, so now you can see, okay, values is there, but values are not added. So you can, if you want to add the values, you can add the values like in thousands. Okay, so you can add the values. And now come back, and now go to legend. And if you want to edit any title or anything like west, east, south, central, you can edit it here. So you can edit the titles here, the region. If you want to change, sometimes your stakeholders like your CEO don't know about the region, but the region is a technical column name which is there in the data set, but your stakeholder don't know about this region. So you can delete it. You can delete it. It will not delete from your like data set. So you can delete it and you can add your own technical meaning, like region means location or something like this. Okay, so that you can add it. Okay, now I just wanted to put, okay, the legend operation, like let me go to the slices. Suppose say slices are there. Suppose if you want to change the color of the slices, you can do it. Okay, so you can do it the color of the slices. Okay, here, because it is not allowed because we have selected the standard format here. Using this, we have selected a standard format, so it is not allowing. Otherwise, if you are not selecting this, if you are going by the normal version, so the colors will be popping up. The colors will be popping up. Okay, so you can select a different slices, different colors for each slice and all. Okay, so your border is on. Okay, all the labels have been created. This is done. So now I'm coming to the visual, like a general, and then I'm going to the title and I'm removing the sum of. So you can, I'm removing the sum of. Now this is sales by region. It is good, looking good. Okay, it is looking very nice for me. Okay, nothing else. Like if I look at the effects are also maintained properly. Shadow is maintained, visual border is maintained. All these things are maintained. Just click on this and click on save button also. Okay, now up to this it is done, right? So sales by region. Now it is clear that it is clear that West region is having 31.58% contribution, and East region is having 29.55%. Okay, finally, I think you are doing parallel with me, right, students? I'll be asking you the insights. Region wise demanded and most buying products, fine. Okay, so region wise sales, okay, and most buying products, okay, so that we can add it. Let me, I want to add more complex data, that's it, okay. Now, here the student has mentioned, like, can you anyone read this? Region wise, okay, sales and most demanding products. So there are three columns are there now. So now I want to clustered column chart. Let us consider the custom clustered column chart here. This is the cluster column chart. Now we are having x-axis, y-axis legend. Now I'm taking the region here, okay, region wise sales, and in the each region which product is having highest sales. That is the question I am just going and implementing now. Region is there and y-axis sales also I am taking out. Now this is normal as usual. So I just want to keep it like this. I want to show it to you. So now this is, we have four regions, and west region is having highest sales, and then east, then central, then south. It is the same insight we are getting from pie chart also, donut chart also. Now I want to add another column that is called product. Product, where is the product? So see here how complex it is. Now see here product name, I'm dragging it and I'm dropping in the legend. Now see here how complex it is. Now this is like this. Let me. So now see here in west region, which is having highest sales? Can anyone tell me? Which is having highest sales? This one. In west region, which is the highest sales? Students? Students, please respond. I already popping. Yeah. So let me check what is your answer. East region is having highest sales. Okay. Now the question that Sahil is asking is, in which region, which product is having highest sales? Okay. So East region, definitely East region is having highest sales. No, I'm not asking that. In West region, which product is having highest sales? Maybe West region is having lesser sales when compared to East. I'm not asking that. I'm asking in the West region itself, which product is having highest sales? Now see here. This spike is there. You can see. So now ARCO 7 outlet masterpiece power center without fax phone line protection. This, yeah, yeah. So the black color. This one is having highest sales. This west region is having this. In the east region or in the entire in the data set, this particular product is having highest sales. And if you want to go for the lowest sales, okay. So now you can go for lowest sales like here. You can able to identify the lowest sales also like this. Okay. Now you can able to implement it like this. So it is very difficult for the stakeholder to visualize this. Yes or no? Yes or no? It is very difficult for the stakeholders to visualize this much complex data. So that is the reason why I am removing this legend from this. Now it's a very easy. Suppose if you want to compare product, okay. So just remove this region and then add the product name here. Now see, now you can able to see this the product wise. This is the product wise sales. Now which product is having highest sales? Now it is very clear. So this is like Canon image class. Okay, this is having highest sales. Suppose if you want to copy the format, just do the same activity. Okay, go to home, just click on format, your format painter, just paste it. That's it. So now this is the sales by product name. Is it clear, Sahil? Sahil? I can able to integrate more complex visualization also, but I need to understand my non-technical users also. So in this context, okay, yeah, Sahil, thank you. So in this context, what is the best approach? Okay, let us go by the same issue. Uh, when I'm when I want to visualize more complex data using one single chart, it is very difficult for my stakeholders to understand. Even for me also, it is very difficult. So I'm not going by the like a single chart where I can visualize complex data. What is the next possibility? What is the next possibility? But my stakeholder, I want to show my stakeholders that in this region, like a particular product is not doing well. In this region, that product is not doing well, or in this region, the product is doing well. That I want to show. So here, this concept can be easily achieved by what? Very, very interesting feature. What is that? What is that? Slicer. That means filter like thing. So I need to add the filters for my dashboard. Okay, yeah. Now see here, where is the slicer? So in the visualization pane, now we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the fifth row, third button, slicer. Just add the slicer. Okay, this is the slicer for the project. Okay, this is the slicer. Now for the slicer, okay, so what column and what column I need to like slice all the visuals. See here, we are having how many visuals are there? Total sales, total profit, total furniture sales, sales by category, sales by subcategory, sales by region. So totally six visuals are there. In this total six visuals, okay, in the total six visuals, I want to like category by let me go by like city, like city. Now drag the city column onto the slicer, drop it there. Okay. So now you can see all cities have been mapped to this. Now this will be filtering all the visuals by the city name. Suppose in the all visuals, all the cities has been taken into consideration for calculating the values. Okay. Now if I want to go by specific city name, like let us consider Jackson City. So I'm just clicking on Jackson City. Did you see all visuals are changing? See here, I'm just changing the names. Did you see the interactions here? Is it changing or not, students? So at runtime, I can able to, yeah, so I can able to change. Suppose my manager will not give me the so much time. So if he's asking like, I want the analysis specifically for this particular city, or specifically for this customer, or specifically for this particular product, or specifically for this particular region. So you cannot ask your manager that, sir, please give me 1 more week time so that I will be analyzing for the particular region. I'll come back to you. No, it will not provide that much time. So you can select the slicers or filters in your analysis, and this slicers and this will create the like a filtering action. So now, so did you understand? So it is changing like this. Again, if you want to format it, okay, so just click on this, go to format painter, just click on this, and now you can see this city. So city slicer, that is how you can add the how many slices you need for your uh, analysis, for your visualization. You can add it. So, but my question is like, do you see any problem or any technical glitch in this particular visualization, which is showing you right away? Any problem you are facing here? Any suggestions you want to make? Select multiple also. Yeah, very good question. Akhil, so how can you select multiple options? So by default, I can select one. If I click on second one, the first one will be deleted. So in that, so click on like this. Okay, now I can select multiple now. How can I do it? So I'm just showing you one more time. Just click on right away, single one option is selected. Now press control button from your keyboard, and now click on the second one. Click on the third one. Okay, now you can able to apply multiple options. Just press control button and then select. Okay. So now I'm going by one only. Okay. So now, do you like? I don't want to see, because my primary aim of this slicer is only to filter at runtime, but it is occupying more space. You can see a lot of space it is occupying. I just wanted to restrict to occupy very less space. So just select this. Okay. Just select this. Okay. And go to the visualization pane, format your visual, and now go to slicer settings. Expand this slicer settings. Now can you see different types of slicers here? There are three types of slicers are there. Yes or no, students? Can you able to see different slicers? Vertical list, right? Yeah. So now I'm selecting drop down. So when I'm selecting drop down, see, no explicit values are popping up. Okay. Now I, if I click on all, so then only I can able to see. Then only I can able to see that particular thing only I can able to adapt. So like this, ln. Okay. according to that selection, all the context. So just let me take all values. Now it is occupying very less space so that I can able to add like more visuals here. Okay, now just minimize this. This is the slicer I'm keeping, okay, for selecting the cities. Okay, for selecting the city, you can keep it at the top. Okay, so this is slicer. This is the slicer we are using for selecting the cities. Now, please tell me any other slicer where I can able to employ any similar example. Any similar example? Country. Country, okay, let us see the country. So how can I see the country? So just go back to the table view. There is a problem here in this. Okay. So let us go to orders table. If I go to a country table, a country column, you can see how many countries are there? Only one country is there. United States. Only one country is there. So you cannot apply the slicer here. Did you understand? No. Please tell me one more slicer. One more slicer. Country is not good because only one value is there, United States. We have multiple different product, country, region. Region already we selected. Na? Region also we can select. Okay. If you want to select the region, okay, I'll be going by the region. Ship mode, yeah, ship mode. Okay. Postal code. Okay. So let me go for one more. I cannot go for all the things. Okay. Let me go for, I just copy. Okay. Copy the slicer. Control V. The new slicer has been created. Now drag it to the right side and now select this, go to the visualization pane, just remove the city. Just remove the city from the second slicer, add segment. I'm just adding segment. Segment, okay, segment is one of the column. So how many segments are there? Consumer segment is there, corporate segment is there, home office segment is there. So I can able to select on one particular segment. If the analysis need to be done only on consumer category, so click on this and all the charts will be changed. If I click on this, like corporate segment wise, all the charts are responding. Right. Okay, status, very good option. Yeah. So Chirag, you can add it. So now, can I take as many slices as I require? Can I add or any problem or any difficulty you are seeing when I add multiple slices? What is the advantage of adding the slicer here for the visualization? Can anyone respond? Respond faster. What is the advantage of adding the slicer to visualization? A similar way, I want to know the disadvantage also, adding the slicer to the visualization. There is advantage, there is disadvantage. Know it or don't know. Ease of understanding the section way. Yeah. So that is very easy. Like, okay, I'll accept. So the easiest thing is like changing the settings in the slicer and all the visualization is changing according to the context you are selected for. That is one thing. Okay. Modular purpose. Okay. Portability. That you can use it, the slicer. What is the disadvantage now? What is the disadvantage? It is not that always if you want to create 100 slicers on your visualization, no. We need to add at least one or two, that's it, not more than. Because whenever you are selecting the data at runtime, what is happening in the behind screens? What is happening in the behind screens? What is the disadvantage? That is what I want to ask you. Easy of visualization that can be done, but the problem is, what is the next problem? The disadvantage of using slicers. Complications in terms of data refreshments. Suppose if you don't like if in a real-time environment, let us consider you are doing the data analysis, sales data analysis for a Reliance Smart. But the data is keep on coming, keep on coming. But when you are not refresh your data, so the particular data will be static. When you are maintaining the static data, it will not be reflected in the charts. Okay, now my question is like how to refresh it. Did you understand what is the meaning of why we require data refresh? Yes or no? Yes or no, students? Make it fast. I want to refresh the data. In the real time, the data is keep on coming, right? So in the I'll be showing you. So this is the data set which I use. Yes or no? This is the data set I am using. Yes? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Now let us consider this data set is for around 2 p.m. Okay. 2 p.m. I am having this data. Now see here, I'm just copying this. I'm just copying the last row. Last row. Now I'm adding here. Okay, I'm adding here, and now I'm changing the serial number to 99995. Okay, this is the what is the meaning of this means this customer after 2 p.m. like 2.01 at 1 p.m. like 1 minute he came and he purchases something. The total sales amount now it should increase by 72.948 paisa, right? Yes or no? It need to reflect it, right? Yes or no? The new sales transaction has been occurred. So yes, that need to be updated in the analysis. Now, if I look at Power BI, now look at the Power BI. What is the total sales here? Is it changing or it is static? Is it changing or is it static? Earlier also, before to this new sales transaction, it is 2.3 only, but now also 2.30 only. It is not changing, right? Yes or no? Is it changing or not changing? Please tell me in the static here. So it is static, but my analysis, it is not changing. My analysis should be on live. So now this is the problem with respect to the slices. If you are not updating, so updating is taking so much time, especially for not all the visual. This is one already added, two added, three added, third, fourth time added, fifth time added, sixth time added, seventh time added, eighth time, ninth time, 10th time. Done. 10 times I added. Students, please respond it. I added na? Yes or no? Now I want to make it, what is the meaning of refresh? Yes, I added. Now go to the Power BI. Okay. Just refresh it. No need to do anything. So just refresh it. Where is the refresh? So go to view. Okay. So just identify the like refresh button. Okay. Just hold on. Hold on. Yeah, refresh button is there. Let me take to this. Yeah. So in the home tab, can you see refresh button? Can you see in the ribbon, home ribbon? Can you see refresh button? Yeah. So now, look at the visual, the values here in the chart. So I'm just clicking on, it will be changing here. Just click on refresh and then click on data. And you can select data schema also. Now it is updating. Now and at runtime it is updating. Okay. So now, did you see the change in this value? Yes or no? So the total profit has been changed, right? So just change schema. Okay. Now can you see it is changing? Because the total says, okay, okay, it is not changing. Okay. So let me take 2.3 million. I'll put it in like no values. Like I don't add any units for this. So then it might be like visible to you. So it is already done, 2.7. Now I'm adding one more, only one more. Just add it, one more, save it, save it, and now come to Power BI. Just refresh it. Okay, did you observe anyone? Did you observe anyone? Oh, sorry, sorry. Did you observe anyone? Is it changing or not? Yeah. So it is changing, right? So so this is the problem. Whenever you want to integrate in the real time, okay, whenever you are not refreshing it, this refresh can be done in two ways again. So the refresh can be done in two ways. Okay, the data refresh. This is called data refresh. Data refresh can be done in two ways. One is manual, what I had done. Okay. The second one is scheduled. Scheduled refresh also you can do it. Okay. For this scheduled refresh, you need to buy the license. Okay. That is the reason I'm not telling you this. Scheduled refresh, I'm not telling. Manual way, you need to refresh it. Whenever you are having multiple slicers in your data, okay. So it is taking so much time to update. So that is the reason it is lagging. The speed will be decreasing in your visualization. That is the reason do not go for multiple slices. One or two is enough for your visualization. Is that clear? No. If it is done means we'll be going to the very, very important analysis that should be there in every visualization. That particular topic will be there. Can I move up to this? It is clear, right? Students, yes or no? Yeah, so yes. So now, very, very important analysis I am doing. So this is time series analysis. Okay. So my manager is asking me like a year-wise analysis, year-wise sales analysis, year-wise sales analysis. So which year I'm having highest sales, which year I'm having lowest sales. Okay. Always remember whenever you are dealing with the time series analysis, like in terms of year, in terms of date, in terms of minutes, seconds, month, okay, quarters. Okay, this is time series analysis. So always go for line chart. If it is specifically mentioned, do not use line charts. Okay, then you can use any other. If it is not mentioned, always 100% cases, always better to use line chart. So now I am going by the time series analysis, time series sales analysis with respect to year. Now I am going to use line chart. This is very, very interesting one. Now go to our visualization. Okay, just click on line chart, which is there in the second line, first position. This is your line chart. Keep it adjust here, adjust here, just maximize it. This is your line chart. Okay. Okay. This is the line. Now, my manager is asking year-wise sales analysis. So now I'm having two different columns. One is sales column. Already I have seen sales column. Now, where is the year column? Do you see year column? Students, do you see year column? Anyone? Did you see year column? Do you see year column? Students respond. Year column, do you see? Okay. So yeah. Explicitly the year column is there. Okay. So one student responded, Ravi responded, year column is there. Yeah. That is also correct. Yeah. I'll be showing you now. So year column is there or not. Let us come to Power BI. And this is the data pane. And if you are expanding orders table, you can see all the columns. In this orders date is one column. If you expand this orders date, you can see order hierarchy. If you expand this order hierarchy, year is there. Okay. Quarter is there, month is there, day is there. Okay. So now my question is year is column is there. Okay. I can explicitly create a year column, but for the time being, since one student responded, Ravi responded already there. So I'm using this. So dragging this year column onto the x-axis. Okay. Now year column is sorted. Now going to the sales column, I'm dragging it to the y-axis. Now see here how beautifully this particular chart is popping up. Now this is the first year of establishment of my business. In 2014, this is the total sales. The total sales has been decreased in 2015 and consistently it is increasing in 2016 and 17. Okay. So this is how year-wise sales analysis has been done. So in my analysis in 2015, I have seen very low sales. Okay, low sales because this is the new, because nobody knows about my business, so that so my sales has been decreased. So just click on this. I want to format it. Just go to the standard visual where I formatted correctly. Just click on format painter. Just click on this. So now see how beautifully it is done. Is it clear? Students, year-wise sales. Year-wise sales. Is it clear? Now my question is, can you able to do it on your own now? I'll be giving you one simple, very simple problem statement. Okay, can I give? Yeah. So you are ready, right? So now I'm giving very simple. I want to twist a little only, not much. Okay. So now, which day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, which day, like sales are more? Sales are more. Okay, understand this question. Which day the sales are more? I think you understand the question. So I am running my business on Sunday, on Saturday, on Monday, Tuesday, all days. Now I'm running my business for how many years? In the last visualization, how many years are there? How many years of data is there in the sample superstore? Okay, I'll be showing you again. So this is the line chart. So this is, remember, 2014, yeah, 15, 16, 17. So totally 4 years are there. Yeah, correct. 4 years are there. Now out of all these 4 years, so many Mondays, so many Sundays are coming, right? Yeah, 4 years, 14 to 17. Very good. So now my question is, like, which day is having highest sales? Which day I can see highest sales? I want to identify the patterns of my customers, how they are visiting, how they are buying in my superstore. No, but day means you might be knowing Sunday to Saturday. Now, which day? Days? No. I don't want to see day 17. Nobody understand. Like your stakeholder will not understand day 17. So that is the reason you kept as the data analyst. You need to make sure. Day 17 means what? Is it comes under Sunday or it comes under Saturday or Monday? That I want to need. I need the name of the day. Name of the day. So, but what is the challenge here? What is the challenge here? Can anyone discuss? Can anyone post? What is the problem with respect to this visualization? There is a challenge. A little challenge is there. What is the challenge? Students, please respond. If you respond, I can provide you the solution. Which day I want to? I am having the total sales that I want to pick from all 4 years of data. You cannot manually check, and you cannot manually. Yep, just post it. Post it. We have to add day column. Yeah. So now, yeah, correct. So Ravi, exactly correct. Now we are going for very huge data. Yeah. So now we are going. So from this very huge data, we cannot able to calculate what is the Sunday sales, what is the Monday sales. You cannot aggregate it. So now I'm creating new column called as day name, and then I am using this day name column under with respect to the sales column, and I will be identifying which day, like Sunday to Saturday, which day is having highest sales. Now this is the area where new columns are created. This is called feature engineering. So now coming to Power BI, go to table view. Okay, table view, again table tools. Now you can see new measure is there, quick measure is there, new column is there, new table is there. Now I'm clicking on new column. Now I'm clicking on new column. Okay. So by default column is the name. So just delete it. Now I want to add this as day underscore name. This is the column name, day underscore name. Okay, so now, okay, now I am giving format. Okay, format is a DAX function. Format is a DAX function. So I'm going for like a date column where date is there. So where date is there, in order date we are having the order date column. So in from this order date column, okay, I need the day name. Okay, so you see here, I'm just adding this. Okay, so now can you see the day name column has been popping up? A new column is created at the last. Yes or no? Yes or no, students? Yeah, yeah. So now, yes, I'm entering 4Ds. If you are entering 3Ds here, there is a again flexibility. If I add Ds here, so the Sunday, Monday, the names will be given only 3 letters. But I don't want to see the 3 letters. Okay, I want to go by full name of the day. I'm giving full 4Ds. Now I can see all the days like Sunday like this. Okay, this is the up to date. It is clear, right? So we created a new column. Why? Because the problem statement defines us or adjusts us to create a new column or new feature in the data set. Now it is very easy now, which is having highest sales. Like I'm going by the, since it is also a like time series analysis. I am going by line chart. Come to, okay, uh, report view and then click on line chart again. Just click on line chart and now go for day name, the newly created column name. So day name onto x-axis, sales on the y-axis, sales on the y-axis. Now you can see. Now please tell me uh, which day is having highest sales. I'm just hovering my mouse. Okay. So please look at this dynamics. Okay, so which day is having highest sales means Monday. Yeah, Monday is having the highest sales. Okay, yeah, Monday is having the highest sales. No, okay, I'll be asking one question on this. Let me format it. Okay, so this is done. So after seeing this, okay, x-axis is very dull. I'm just format it, make it, give me 1 minute. Okay, bold it and keeping the thick black color. Okay, so this Monday is having highest sales. No, my question is, this is the insight, right? This is the insight, like Monday is having highest sales and Wednesday is having lowest sales. Yes or no? Monday is having highest sales and Wednesday is having lowest sales. Oh God.
Recording in progress.
Okay, okay. So yeah. So now my question is, like you are having few workers. Okay, totally you are having in your supermarket, we are having 10 workers. Okay. Now 4 workers came at a time. Okay, they are asking you, sir, I want to apply leave for Monday. Will you accept? Will you accept? Yeah, you can able to utilize your leave on Monday. Or else, do you want to talk to them? If you want to talk to them, on what parameters you are talking to them? Students, please respond here. This is the scenario. This is the insight from the day names. Few workers came to you and they want to discuss, they want to utilize their like time. No. Why? Yes, Sahil, you have said correct. No, we are not allowing all 4 workers on the same day. That is especially on Monday. Because, yeah. Yes, Akhil, you said correct. So, Akhil wants to provide casual leaves or leave for all the workers if they want to utilize for the workers on Wednesday, because I'm expecting in my business on Wednesday low sales. So I can able to take the chance, but I cannot take the chance on Monday because Monday is a hectic day in my business. So this is called insights, data-driven decisions. So that you need to identify and that you need to communicate to the stakeholders, especially your non-technical stakeholders. Did you understand now what is the meaning of feature engineering? How you are taking the decisions from the data? Yeah. So now for making it more clear, so you can tag it, okay, like this, to make it clear. Okay. Now, can you repeat the same process for profit? This is called sales analysis, right? Like, look at this. We are having 10 more minutes. After that, I'll be taking the queries. So see here, this is page 1, right? So just click on the page 1, remove it. Now I'm keeping the name as sales analysis. Done. Just change the name of the page to sales analysis. Okay. I'll be showing you few important so that you can automate a few of the findings. After this is done, right? This is up to this point in time we are discussing about the only sales. Sales by category, sales by subcategory, sales by year, sales by day name, sales by product name. All these are comes under what? All these comes under sales analysis. Yes or no? Students. So you can able to rectify. You can able to keep it like this. Okay. So this is my sales analysis. Up to that, right? Now let us copy it. So I'm giving the work to convert each visual into profit. Like total profit I want to see, total profit for furniture sales, okay, total profit by subcategory, total profit by category. Oh yeah, I'll be sharing. Yeah, I'll be sharing. Yeah. So I'll be sharing this file with you. Okay, I'll be sharing with others. Others will be posting in the Telegram. Okay. So now sales by category, subcategory, we are changing into profit by subcategory. So sales by year, changing to profit by year. So every visual now need to be changed to profit. Can you do it? Yes or no? Can you do it? Yes or no? Once you do it, I'll be asking you another thing. Yes or no? Students, please respond. Please respond. Yeah. So no, Chirag, thank you. So now let us see. I'm just changing. See how simple I'm doing. Just right click on the sales name and click on duplicate. That's it. Now we are having first page sales analysis. Second page, I'm just changing for the time being. I'm just changing profit analysis. Okay, done. So just select, suppose say this column, sales by category column. Okay, just select the sales by category column. Instead of sales here, just drag profit here. That's it. It is changed. So you can see this is technology category is having highest profit. Can you see it, students? Yes or no? This is that much simple. That much simple it is. So you are doing the same thing. You are removing the sales column and you are adding the profit column to each and every visualization. Then automatically it is comes under profit analysis. Now, my question is, we are having sales analysis in force, profit analysis in force. Okay. Now my question is, now I am creating another page, another new page. You can see here. This I am asking about, I want to welcome page. Welcome page. Okay, now you can see welcome page. So here I am describing about my business. I am describing about my business, what I had done in the analysis. So by creating some boxes like, okay, now go to insert. Now go to insert and now click on text box. Okay, now you can add the text like the text is I am doing analysis. I'm doing sales and profit analysis. Okay, by default the font is 10 only. I'll be zooming it. Okay, for XYZ business, XYZ business, etc. Just copy it and change the font to 32. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, So now you are adding whatever with the data you want to keep it, you can keep it. If you want to go for any like background everything, so you can go for the colors, these things, okay, background things, everything you want to make it, you can make it. Okay, this is the thing. So this title you can add it. Okay. So what will be the insights you are having, like Monday is hectic day, that you can add it. You can add it in a particular like text box, or else suppose if you want to add it like in a buttons fashion, you can add it. So now my question is, you are adding all the text, you are identifying all your insights, you are adding like point wise, that you can add it, right? I think you can add it, right? Yes or no, students? In the welcome page, you can add all your findings, all your insights. Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. So now my question is, after identifying, suppose if you like you, this is the first page. Welcome page is the first page for your stakeholders. Now, after seeing the insights, all the insights you identified, they want to cross check. So they want to specifically go from welcome page to X page. Maybe in your analysis, you are having different types of analysis: sales analysis, profit analysis, product recommendation, finding the loyal customers. So like this, we are having different 10 different analysis. Now, your stakeholder, your chairman wants to go on the search where is the sales analysis page. No. So now we need to provide a shortcut. Can we go for the shortcut now? Directly navigating to the page intended for. So there is a shortcut. Can we go that? Can we go for that? Page navigation now. This is the concept of page navigation. Students, can you able to do it? Yeah. So now, yes. So now we are having only 3 pages. One is welcome page. Let us consider every particular stakeholder will be coming to the welcome page by default initially. From there we are navigating. So this is my welcome page. Okay. Now from this welcome page, my stakeholder may go to sales analysis page, may go to profit analysis page. Now I need buttons here. So go to insert menu and then click on buttons here. Okay. So you can go for shapes also. I'm going by the shape, rectangle shape like this. Okay, this is the particular button I want to use it. So just select this. Okay. Go to style. Go to style. Okay. If you want to change the color, you can change it. So this is the color I want to change. If I want to add the text to the button, you can add the text. So like this is sales analysis. When a sales analysis, whenever my manager wants to navigate from this button, from main welcome page to sales analysis, this is the like thing I need to use. So just select, so this sales analysis, and make this like 20 or 30. Okay, so I'm making it 30. Okay, keeping bold color and changing the font to blue color. Okay, so now is it done? So this is the sales analysis. I think it is done, right? So this is the sales analysis. I added the button. So when I'm clicking in the button, it is not taking us to anything. Like it is static. Now I'm adding the behavior for this. Whenever you click on this sales analysis button, it need to take you to the sales analysis page. Now, see here, just click on this sales analysis, go to the format your shape and make this action button on. By default, the actions will be in off. Make it on, expand this. Okay, expand this. Now the action is like there are many actions are there. Now select page navigation. And whenever I'm clicking on this button, I want to go for page navigation. What is the destination page? Okay, just select sales analysis. That's it. Okay, it is all set, right? Can we check now, students? In which page I am in now? Right now? In which page I am in right now? Welcome page or sales analysis page or profit analysis page? Welcome page. Yeah, correct. Okay. Now see here, we are navigating from this page to the analysis page. Okay. Okay. I'll explain it one more time. Okay. For profit analysis. So just click on press. Okay. Control and click on the button. Single click. Press control switch from your keyboard and then click on single click on the particular button. Now it is taking you to the, what is the page name here? It is not welcome page. It is something else. What is this? What is this? Students, please respond fast, please. Sales analysis. Yeah. So now it's taking us to the sales analysis. Again, here we have two more options, like your management satisfied, want to verify, verified. So by reaching manually here, by clicking on the button, they came here, they verified it, and now they want to go to the other pages. What are the other pages we left with? What are the other pages we left with? We are in sales analysis page. So now there are two options. I can go for welcome page or else going for profit analysis page. Okay, now see here. I am going to create profit analysis page. I can create both things also. Okay, now let me go for insert shape, select one shape. Okay, okay, now just add it here. Okay, now okay, go to, just click on this, go to like style and change the button color. This is my wish. You can change it to your wish. Like add the text here. So this text is speaking about profit analysis. So this is the like profit analysis. Okay, it is okay. Let me keep it 25. Okay, done. Okay, now I'm just adding it. Okay, after adding the name of the button, I'm just clicking on style. Okay, now I'm creating the action button. See here, a student asked that out, how to create the navigation. So just keep selecting the profit analysis button, go to actions, make it on. Now click on the down arrow and now click the type as page navigation, and now destination is profit analysis. That's it. Done. Now here, see, now currently I am in sales analysis page. Now when I'm clicking on control button and clicking on this button, single click. Now it is taking us to which page? Okay, it is taking us to profit analysis. So it is taking us to profit analysis. What is this doubt? Profit analysis. What is this, Sonu? What is the meaning of this? Inat safal ho gaya? I don't know Hindi. Okay, whatever with that. So I think, did you understand how to navigate from one page to the other page? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you can add custom in this discussion. Discussion today, we have discussed what is the role, what is the importance of visualization, why we are not keeping the text data, why we are converting the text data into visual, that we have discussed. And we have discussed about visualization using standard visuals, and we have discussed about visualization using custom visuals also. And we went and we have developed one dashboard in terms of sales analysis. And we have discussed about profit analysis. We discussed about filtering, slicing, okay. And we added the navigation also. And we discussed about the data refreshment. And we discussed about data modeling also, data modeling. Okay. So like we are having so many types of things. Okay. So I think you all understand all the topics, what wanting to till now. Okay. Any doubt if you are having, it's the right time. Let me unshare. Any doubt? Technically, first we are, yeah, thank you. Yeah. Thank you, Dhruv. So no doubts from Dhruv. No. Okay, Viras. Thank you. And please practice it. I'll be sharing this. So, okay, now you might be knowing how to save it. Yeah, how to save it, how to share it. These things you might be knowing. Yeah. So I'm just saving it with some name. What is the perfect name for this? Can anyone suggest me? Can you anyone suggest my sales analysis means it is having profit analysis also. Feature engineering means only one feature we have created. Sales report means we are having profit also. It's not only sales we are done. Profit is also there. Profit is also there. Ah, yes, yes. One then come up with a very good thing. Business analysis. Yes. Harshit, thank you. Business analysis. Because I'm not limiting myself to only sales, I'm not limiting only to profit. I like that. I want to extend the analysis from sales to profit to product recommendation to customer identification to XYZ features. So I'm including all these analysis. So this is completely called as business end-to-end business analysis, whatever be the name, end-to-end business analysis. Okay, and now, okay, you can save it. You can save it. That's it. Tour analysis, that XYZ analysis, company name analysis, descriptive analytics. Yeah. So I'm going by the business analysis. We can make it comprehensive business analysis for a what particular XYZ retail store. Like that also you can be able to mention it. Okay. So let me stop sharing for 2 minutes. I just wanted to know whether Adarsh is there or not. Adarsh, sir, are you there? Okay. So he's not there. So let me add Adarsh also. Any doubts means I am very happy. So I'll be sharing the attendance link. Okay. Exactly at 2:50 in the chat. So let me add Adarsh. Yeah, students. Any doubts? The project title. I didn't understand. Part. What is the meaning of this project title in PMMS portal? I don't understand this PMMS portal. Yeah, thank you, Aniket. Thank you very much. So we will be discussing if you are comfortable, please practice. And I want to know if you are not having any doubt. I'm having one doubt. No, you have seen many sessions on Power BI. Now please tell me which is like more interesting, more challenging, more important when you want to define if whenever a few two students are compared, which analysis is good for you? You if you want to beat the comparison, so which part you want to concentrate for? You have seen a lot of topics in Power BI. Which topic you need to focus on to get like uh, more control on the visualization? Which topic? Okay, Mahek, regular Microsoft Elevate GTU internship. Our college has asked us to submit weekly reports. Okay, I think we request your guidance on how this can be done. Company sign. Okay, this is, I think, Mahek, morning also, others told this particular point. So you can ask your internal faculty members to mark the stamp and mark that like their signature, and you can use that particular same thing, and you can intimate that even trainers also said the same thing. So their signature is valid. Additionally, we are told that our details were shared with our college faculty, but they have not received. So let me add. I'll be adding. Nirmal, I'll be sharing this file. Okay, already I saved it. Yeah. So DAX. One student responded, Chaudhary. Suppose one of the important area want to explore uh, and get a very good distinction when compared to all other data analyst means using Power BI. That is DAX. If you're very strong in DAX, you can create wonders in the visualization. Very unique visualizations you can able to do it. That part you just remember, explore it on different data sets. That is one thing I can able to see. And the other one is apart from the DAX, one more important area is there. Can anyone respond? Synopsis. Also in the synopsis of the internship we have. Yeah, Adarsh. So students, I just wanted to know. Like that part is absolutely very good area where you can learn and you can able to create a dynamic way to give you the analysis. That is one, absolutely. What is the next one? What is the next area where you need to concentrate to give more way of doing the analysis using Power BI? It's not Power BI, any type of analysis using Python, using Power BI, using Tableau, using SQL, wherever data analysis are there. So one area is there, that is data cleaning. So please concentrate on the data cleaning. How like extend you are doing data cleaning, that much opportunities you can able to express, because irrespective of the different technologies which we are seeing right now, like artificial intelligence, generative AI, agentic AI, MCPs, cybersecurity, quantum computing, or data analysis, like name anything, the underlying component is one. What is that? What is the underlying component for all technology nowadays? Data. Yes, correct, Manish. Data is the next fuel, next costliest resource for any company or any individual being. So data. So if you are, I'll be giving you two like very important areas of with respect to data. One is data governance. These are future proofing your careers. If you learn one, that will be outdated in the next coming 10 years. So now, irrespective of the technology like cybersecurity, quantum computing, AI and all, so the data, once you are good at data cleaning, or else data parsing, or else whatever. So data governance, okay. These are the areas where you need to concentrate. If you concentrate here, data governance, lot of jobs will be created. Yeah, like Chaudhary, you mentioned rightly. So that is the reason. Chaudhary, you said a very right point. So the companies are not taking the freshers alone, because how you are applying the resume? You are applying the resume as you are taking one static project. You are not adding any features. You just simply taken the screenshot and you are applying. No, it should not be like that. Okay. Your resume, right from your name to the last, your signature, you need to speak about data analysis. That is the reason I always recommend the students to have multiple resumes. One resume dedicatedly for what? Data analysis. One resume dedicatedly for AI. One resume dedicatedly for like quantum computing. So do not go for generic, okay? And always go for startups, not go for MNCs. MNCs are already having the resources, so you are not be you will not be hired. So what is the meaning of dedicated resume? Right from your name of the resume to the like your signature, your hobbies, like hobbies means you watching the movies. Like these things are also go by the same domain, like data analysis domain. Okay, like this. Everything should be speaking in terms of data analysis. That is called dedicated resume. So do not go for generic resumes. Go for a dedicated resume. Attendance. Okay. Others, can I share the attendance in the chat?
Just a minute, sir. We can just take the queries first and then we can share the attendance in the end.
Okay.
First, I hope you have done with the tech part. We can start
Yes,
with the queries.
yes, done, sir.
Okay. So before we start taking the queries, there is one information for all the students. I've been getting a lot of queries related to your PMS portal. So students, I have already shared the details for you. I am just telling it again for everyone reference. I am highlighting the same in the Telegram group as well. Your the in the FICE, sorry, in the PMS portal, the company name should be FICE Education Private Limited. This is the company name. I would again repeat, the company name is FICE Education Private Limited. The company contact number is 0124 408 0107. I would again repeat, the company name is FICE Education Private Limited. The company contact number is, I have shared it in the Telegram. Arbaz, I have shared it in the Telegram group again. So the company name is FICE Education Private Limited. Company contact number is 0124 408 0107. Company address I have shared, A111105 Unitech Arcadia, South City 2, Gurugram 12208 018. Company expert name is Adarsh. Company expert contact number is 0124. The same of the contact number shared above. This is on the email ID you can use is anjali@fice.in. Sahil, all the information were already there in the Telegram group. I have shared it again. I have been getting a lot of queries on the HR name and the HR detail. The same HR, the company expert name and the contact number and the email ID can go on to your HR details as well. For your signature and stamp, probably you need to check with your internal your internal expert, only the internal faculty members. Certificate will only be provided once you complete all the 12 courses which is there in your FICE LMS. So there are 5 core learning track. Under each track, there are different courses. You need to complete all the 12 courses under 5 different tracks, and then only you will be eligible for one certificate, which will be given to you post completion of your these 12 courses, attending at least minimum 70% of your uh, training session and complete submission of your project. I have been telling every time this has been a case. We have already shared the project details in the Telegram group. I am again sharing it for your reference. Please select your project details from the document shared in the Telegram group. External mail and other details is also already shared. Please just check. The external mail ID is FICE and under Anjali under @fice.in. If you have been facing anything under the LMS, there is also a query tab in the LMS. You can raise your queries, whatever tag, whatever glitch you have been facing during a Power BI course. Please share those information over email or from your LMS. No, you don't have to complete all the 5 problem statement. You need to select one from 5. If you have raised ticket from your LMS, you need to wait. College is saying digital signature of your weekly and daily reports. That's not feasible, students. You need to check with your college again. We will inform that to your university. For your project, we will be also sharing one template. So don't panic. We will be sharing the template format with you. Basis on that template format, you will be creating your project. Any other issues related to your PMS portal needs to be addressed by your university or by your college. Since we don't have any access with your PMS portal, we can't give you any concrete answer on your portal. Sahil, we have not shared the attendance form yet. If you will leave, you won't get any attendance for the day. Raj Patel, whatever you have selected, the project needs to be a basis on what we have selected. What we have shared it in the Telegram group. Anything which is automatically generating from your PMS portal, you need to automatically generating from your PMS portal. You need to please get it raised to from your college to your university. Your PMS portal is not being managed by us. That needs to be raised with your respective college through to your university. You can just select the topic as of now. The project mentoring would start in from the coming week, and then you can probably start with your making with your project. The submission of the project will be in the FICE LMS only. Signature issue Dharya would be done with your internal guide only. You can raise this with your college to your university. We will also raise this the same. The submission of the project has time, so you have sessions till 31st of March. So don't panic. We have at least entire 2 months right now. The entire Feb and March as well. The Google form query based is still not resolved. Yes, there are few participants. The form is still pending. Proposal which you have been asking a lot of questions. Kindly wait. We'll guide you on that as well. Narendra sir, I'll request you to please share the attendance link now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm just sharing in the chat, sir.
That
Yes, students, I'm sharing this in the chat.
so you are not audible.
So, am I audible, students? I'm just sharing the attendance form in the chat. I shared it.
Yes. Just a minute. Let me share it. You have shared it with.
Okay, okay, okay. Everyone, right?
Yeah.
I'm just sharing, right? So please mark your attendance for the day.
Yes, please mark your attendance for the day. Weekly report sign and stamp would be done by your internal guide only. Sir would request you to please say, I'll be sharing the feedback form. Just give me a moment. Okay, so I've shared the feedback form as well. Weekly report signature has to be done by your college only. Sahil, what do you mean by Power BI dashboard?
Sahil, you mentioned Power BI dashboard. What is the meaning? Is there any doubt on this? The Power BI dashboard I shared, yeah, I got it. So the Power BI dashboard which we made from morning to evening, I shared to others. Others will be sharing. Others will be sharing to Telegram group. So there you can download it.
I'll be sharing it, right? I'll be sharing it in the Telegram chat.
Yeah, thank you. It will be shared. Yes. Any technical doubt if you are having on Power BI, I'm very happy to clarify your doubt. You can ask in the chat. Wait, students, others will answer these questions. Narendra, sorry, as you said earlier about hobbies in CV. Yeah. But can we mention those things? List
Hey,
of
Mehta, can we put Microsoft as company name as PMS portal? No. The company name should be FICE Education Private Limited, which I have shared it in the chat.
Yeah, yes, one doubt here. In the name, I had seen one resume. One student applied for artificial intelligence post. He got that. He mentioned the hobbies as listening the songs using like Spotify, watching the movies on Netflix. So I'm not asking like hobbies like that only, like singing, dancing, jumping, watching movies. No, I want to highlight every possibility using the technology. So that is what I mean. I think you got it. Yes.
Harsh, you have been sharing us internal guide name and contact number. Any particular reason? Yes, Makwana, you have to select one from the all for the project we shared. One problem statement from all. In case if there is any other any issues with your PMMS portal, would request you to please get it raised from your college principal to your university. Your PMMS portal is not being managed by us. That's the reason any information which is directly being automatically being generated by your PMMS portal, we don't have the queries for that. So would request you to get it raised from your respective college officials. No, the organization name would be FICE. We have already shared it. Please don't write anything from your own. We would not entertain that. The details have been shared. Nakshi, the attendance link was shared with you and will not be shared again. Please refer the chat. The attendance link have been shared. If you can't update name, please get it checked with your college.